it looks like this now. Quite okay. The other side is right behind these marks in the cylinder head, but I have to work this a little bit to get it at the same spot, but it's close enough. Millimeter or two, doesn't matter. Alrighty then, where is my extension to the collector? Here it is. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So there it is, and it will go something like this. I think I have to measure the height distance between the tank, bottom edge of the tank, and the collector pipe first. Yes, just a moment. I should really put intake over here too and place the carburetor to the correct position, so I could use it as a guideline, but it was about $16. So it should be something like this. Let's try to mark it. This is not going to work. So I have marked this pipe, and now I'm just going to put one tag on top of this, and then we will see. Let's see. Yeah, I thought so. It's a bit low, not much, but the other side is 16 and this is 16 and a half, so that was good tag. So I'm planning collector under the seat, and I was thinking about doing this secondary pipe with the smaller diameter, but then I have to redo these collectors, and I'm not sure if I want to do that. So I try to create some kind of template with this 51mm pipe. Yes, it's way too big for this pipe, but it's what I got at the moment. So this comes from 3 and 4 cylinders under the seat, and it goes behind this frame, because if it comes from the outside, my leg is going to burn. And on the other side, it's going to, don't mind the welds, it's going to be something like this. So it just bends under the seat, and then I'm going to make a collector U-joint maybe over there. And that's the next phase. I should be able to put some kind of filters still here, or then I have to make a box for the air filter, but let's worry that later. Now I try to figure out where to cut these two and make them look like one pipe. And I just draw some lines, and then we cut, and let's see how it goes. This would be also look awesome. 2 straight pipes, loud noises. Maybe. Okay, so this is the first cut I should be able to do. Yeah, be brave, just send it. Let's see what happens. First one. I think I took it a bit too. It's not straight on the middle, so I have to check the measurement with the other one. Okay, there they are. Not quite 50 the radius at the end, but I think we can try with these. Yeah. Let's stack them together and... Okay, so this is the end product. Quite nice. There might be some holes that I have to fill, but for now it's okay. So next we have to check if it fits over here. And I think it does, but it's wrong way around. Or is it? Did I mess up this? It's quite okay, but that side is not as good. Alright, so let's see if this last piece will fit. And it will, oh behold. But yeah, I think next I will put some spot welds on and see if we can still fit everything together. So I recorded almost the spot weld, but yeah, there it is now. All the primary pipes are ready, and next I will install them back to the bike and see that everything lines up still after all this welding. And then I will start smoothing out the midsection, and I think after that I will try to fire this thing up. So let's get going. Yeah, all right. I'm preparing for the overflow. That's why I have all the papers on top of the engine. I will just put small amount of the fuel to prime all the carbs and see if there is lots of leakage, as I'm thinking there is. But let's see. Just a little bit at first. Nothing is leaking yet. Let's pour some more. I usually do this at table, but I did not have the time. Or I was too hurried to get this test going on. All right, it seems that everything is holding up. Strange. Can it be? So what next? spark plug caps onto the spark plugs and this was here? No, this was 3. So yeah, there. Number 3. Come on. Just like that. And the last one. Not sure if this cap is okay, but we will see that later. Still no leakage. This is strange. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Do we have ignition on? God damn it, I have to tighten that up. You got to be kidding me. Where did it shoot up? Is it not getting enough or too much? Let's try with the choke on. Nice! It's not sounding very well. One gasket is over here. Well, it started. Yes, it did. I need some kind of air filters.